What happens when a seller refuses a buyer's request after a home inspection? When you're selling your place, it makes sense that a buyer will want a home inspection. After that inspection, a buyer has a few options. They may cancel if the inspection reveals issues they can't deal with. They may move forward if there are no issues or concerns, or they may ask for repairs or concessions that address these concerns.
Just do it.
So if they ask for something that you don't want to do, what happens if you say no? When the agreement includes an inspection contingency, the buyer has the right to conduct a professional inspection and based on that report can make requests. If the buyer asks for concessions that you don't want to do, the contract allows the buyer to walk away and recoup any earnest money. However, even if you refuse, the buyer may really want the property and move forward anyway. In this case, saying no is a gamble that paid off. More likely than not, a buyer will make several attempts to seek concessions and even counter after a no from a seller. If you hold firm to your position, you cannot guarantee a contract, but you will ensure that you have followed your bottom line. At the end of the day, the buyer cannot force you to make concessions, but the realities of the market and the details of each transaction usually end up with a give and take between the parties so that the deal can come together. If you'd like to learn more about buying and selling real estate in the Chicago area, visit our firm's website at mhwasserman.com or hit the subscribe button. I'm John Ellsworth, and we're here to help you close with confidence.